Hello everyone, I am Sanjay. Today I am going to talk about database languages, an important topic in database management system. Before going to database languages, let's know what is database. Database is a collection of related data that can easily accessed, managed and updated easily. Database languages act as a bridge between the user and application and the database. It by using by using database languages, we can create, modify, access, and manage the data stored in the database management system. There are five major types of database languages. One is data definition language, data manipulation language, data query language, data control language, and data transaction control language. These data manipulation language or query language are integrated with each other. First of all, data definition language. Data definition language is used to define and manage the structure of the database objects such as database, tables or views. It mostly creates and alters the database structure, which is the schema. It defines how the data is stored and organized. It removes unwanted database objects. Database commands are create, alter, drop, truncate and rename. First of all, create. Create is used to create a new database object such as a database, tables or a view. Syntax of create. Create table, table name, column and data types. Column 2 and data type. We can add the constraint while creating the table. Next one is alter. Alter is used to modify the structure of the existing table that we created before, like adding or deleting column. Syntax. If we want to add a column, alter table, table name, add column name, data type. If you want to delete a table, alter table, table name, drop column, column name. Example, alter table students, add age int. Next one is drop. Drop is used to delete a table or a database permanently. The syntax of drop is drop table, table name, drop database name. For example, drop table students. Once dropped, the table and the data cannot be rewind. Truncate. Truncate remove all row from table but keep the structure of the table. Syntax. Truncate table, table name. Truncate is faster than the delete but it cannot be rolled back. Next one is rename. Used to rename a table or a column. Syntax of rename is rename table, old name to new name. DDL command or change and alter the structure of the database and table but not with the data. DDL commands are auto-committed. Once the changes are done, cannot be rolled back. Next one is data manipulation language. Data manipulation language. DML command are used to manipulate the data that's stored inside the tables. They help to insert, modify and remove the data. It manages the data inside the tables or inside the database. DML commands are insert, update and delete. Insert. Insert is used to add a new column to the table. Syntax of insert is insert into table name, column 1, column 2, column 3, values 1, value 2, value 3. For example, insert into students, roll number, name, mark, values 101, Sanjay 90. Update modify existing records that available in the table. Syntax. Update table name, set column name is equal to value where we given a certain condition. Update is based on update run based on the condition we give. For example, update student set mark is equal to 95 where roll number is equal to 101. It will update the mark as 95 where the roll number equal to 101. Delete. uh, Delete command is used to delete a specific row in the table. The syntax of delete is delete from table name where the specific condition. For example, if you want to delete the record of a student who has roll number 101, delete command is used. Delete from students where roll number is equal to 101. Next one, this DML language affect only the data stored in the database, not a structure. DML changes are auto committed. Once they committed, they can be easily rolled back using TCL. Next one is data query language. Data query language is nothing but it is used to retrieve or query from the database. The command of DQL is select. Select is used to view and analyze the data stored to apply the filters, sorting and conditions. Select is used to fetch records, one or more tables. Syntax: select column 1, column 2 from table name where condition. DQL is read only. It does not modify the data. Next one is data control language. Data control language are used to control access to data in database. They ensure only authorized user can perform certain action. It provides security and manage user permission and privileges. DQL commands are grant and revoke. Grant, giving permission to the user to a specific task that can be operated in the database, like select, or we can give view, write and read. Syntax of grant: grant privilege name on object name to user name. For example, grant select insert on students to user 1. This means the user 1 can only insert and select, only insert onto students. They cannot able to perform other operation rather than insert. They cannot be delete or Then revoke, remove the permission from the user which we granted before. Syntax: revoke privilege name on object from users. For example, we already given privilege to insert to the user 1. Now we are revoking it. Revoke insert on students from user 1. DCL commands are generally used by database administrators to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. Next one is transaction control language. Transaction control language is used to manage transaction in the database. Transaction means nothing. A set of operation that execute a single unit. TCL is used to ensure the data consistency and integrity. It to confirm and undo DML operation. Data manipulation language. If anything happened wrongly on data manipulation language, like insert, update or delete, we can revoke by transaction control language. The TCL commands are commit and rollback. Commit: save all changes permanently to the database. Syntax is commit. Update students: set mark is equal to 95 where roll number is equal to 101. Commit: this means the changes is set permanently. Rollback: rollback cancels the recent change and restore to the previous state. Syntax is rollback. Delete from students where roll number is equal to 102. Rollback: if we give rollback, the deletion can be undone. TCL work only with DML operations. It ensures the assay properties, which is some atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. Then that's all about the database languages. Let's see advantages of the SQL based languages. It is simple and easy to learn. Worked with many databases such as MySQL, Oracle or SQL Server. It provides security and access control. Database languages are foundation of database operation. Without the database language, we cannot perform any operations in the database. So SQL is a powerful and complete language and widely used language for database languages. Thank you.